Hey, it's Jackie with Soluzio. In this video, I'm going to go over how to add these hero images. There's a handful of pages that have been created where the hero image doesn't exist yet. So I'm going to go through that process. First, I'm going to go through how to edit your pictures using Canva, and then we'll download that and upload it into the website and show how to add that so it is its own unique hero or picture here at the top of the screen on its own page. So if I right click and open this image in a new tab, I can see in my tab browser this is 1400 by 489, so a fairly tall image. Also on the control panel, it's likely that we have a Canva link with those dimensions. 489. I want to look at some other pages and see if they're the same height. And I can't tell on that one. The file name's a little bit longer. I can try pulling it to my desktop and see if that gives me the dimensions. Sure enough, 1400 by 389. So this one's just uniquely taller. So we'll stick with these dimensions that are on the control panel, 1400 by 389. From here, I'm going to, this is a Canva account, so if you don't already have one, sign up for a free account and should be able to not have to use the pro account, and I wouldn't even try their trial, free trial, 30-day trial, which go ahead and go with the free account using an existing Google or a Facebook account to sign up for that. And then when we click on that link, it should take us right to this canvas that is the respective dimensions for the hero area. So I'm looking for a picture on my computer. I'm sorry, I should have found these before we got started. Here, I've got one right here. I might even have a better version of it. Yep, so those are the same picture. Here, this one's probably an original image instead of one that's already pre-cropped. So this is, I'm just going to have to make this way bigger. And so I'm just dragging the image beyond the borders of the white canvas, so it's cropping it respectively, and then I can click and drag to reposition this picture in the area where it needs to be. If you're working with multiple, or you happen to have a section on in your picture where it's like maybe this takes up a portion of your image, and then on the left hand side you might have text that says something like family ministry or something along those lines. Of course, there's text you can change. We see Montserrat used quite a bit. And if you're going to do this for multiple files, you might just make another copy and then change the information and the picture respectively. So that's an example of how you might create a hero image. We're going to download this. We're going to go ahead and just download it as a PNG. Otherwise, your JPEG is only 80% quality. And then that's going to be there. Going to now I'm going to go to the article manager and search for, there should be a category called hero images. So I had made an example once, but I'm going to go ahead and reuse this example. There's my fall leaves, another heart. I'm going to just click and drag my picture right in here. If you're particular about where your image files live, go ahead and go in here, navigate to this folder called Hero, and then go choose that file from your computer respectively here at the bottom. So I'm not worried about that at this moment. So I'm going to work with this picture and this image. So the picture's the right dimensions. I've added it inside my article. I'm going to go ahead and save and close. The last thing I need to take note of is this article ID number over here, found over here on the right hand side of the screen. This is 583. Sometimes I'll write that down on a piece of paper so that I can remember it and or not have to come back to the screen. Oops, I said 583 out loud. 538. Sometimes I'm dyslexic with numbers. I then went to Extensions and Module Manager. From here, I'm going to type in the word Hero in the Module Manager search. And here, if you know what page you're looking for, there's an option to select by page. I think I was told the staff page might have more than one hero on it. I just wanted to check this while I'm... Okay, so those are 3 different heroes. They might all have... they might be all using the same article ID number, which is possible. In that case, I wouldn't have separate modules. I just would assign them to more than one page and make note in the module title or in this note over here where that other one is otherwise going. So I'm going to take my exam. I think my example might be here. Nope. Of course. So as you saw, I needed to clear my page filter so that I could find the other hero modules. So I'm just looking through this to see if I can find... Sometimes I will call this like an extra one. Really, I'm looking for one that I had already given an example of. If you're making a brand new one, I would just pick one. Here it is, daily announcements. Just pick one, choose save as a copy at the top of the screen, and here's my ID numbers already there. I'm going to publish this, and then my assignment might be daily announcements right there. So I'm going to go back to the home page. And then, I guess I don't remember this page URL. Daily announcements. So there's the example image at the top of this page. Doesn't necessarily fit that, so I'm going to go ahead and re-unpublish that module. But change your article ID number, change your menu assignments, change your title to make your hero be assigned to the respective page that it's supposed to be. I hope that makes sense. Let me know what questions you have. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.